So what we got here is a quick little video on your carbon monoxide propane alarm. The one in my trailer, it hadn't expired. You're supposed to change these every 5 years, as it says here. And mine was about 3.5 years old, but I had let the battery get to the point where it was pretty dead, and it had probably stressed this thing out, because they'll tend to screw up when the battery goes down. And we were having trouble with it just firing all the time, and I just couldn't take that anymore. I already confirmed we didn't have any actual leaks, so for my other one, I just removed it. And all it is hooked to these wires and this jumble of stuff under here, and tucked into this nice carving in the sidewall. So what I'm going to do today is unpackage this thing. Let's see what we've got. Is anything interesting about it? I doubt it. Not much to it. The date on this bad boy is September 7th, 2018. So should have a little while before this thing goes postal, like my other one. And hopefully we can get this thing put together. First thing we're going to do is, these are the shrink fittings I used on my boat trailer, but I figure why not clean these off a little bit. Get this ready to go. Okay, that's good. And now, come down here, strip these a little bit. And see what we can do. Okay. There she goes. Easy enough. I probably should have turned the little breaker off, but that'll do for now. Now we're just going to stick all these silly wires. Well, actually, I'm going to shrink these since I can. See if I can blow a fuse. Just for grins. My little gun pulls about 10 amps. That's a nice little data point. Whew, that's hot. I want to set that in the cabinet. Okay. And now, we're just going to tuck all of this stuff back in here. All these little screws out. That top one really wasn't in much. And tuck this baby in here. There it is. And you're done. All right, let's see if we can test it. Yep, it's just as annoying as the other one. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. And that's it. They aren't cheap, about 70 bucks, but as every couple of times a year down here, somebody will blow themselves up by lighting a cigarette in a trailer with a propane leak that they weren't aware of. I'm not kidding. So they're kind of worth having, and the carbon monoxide's kind of nice. That would be more effective to me if it were in the bedroom for the carbon monoxide, but I get it. They put it in the middle of the coach. There you go. That's how you change out your propane and carbon monoxide detector. Talk to you later.